Everyone, welcome back to another cooking video. And on today I'm making tacos, and I'm going to use the bold nacho cheese taco shells, the jalapeno cheddar spicy taco shells, some soft tortillas. I have 2 packs of the mild taco seasoning mix, and I have a pack of the Taco Bell hot sauce, and I'm using ground turkey for my meat. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like this video, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment down below what all do you like to put on your taco, what are you having for dinner. Leave me a comment down below, and let's get into the video. I'm using the 90% lean fresh ground turkey. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I did have to defrost this, y'all, because it was froze. So Creole seasoning. Add some water. Then I add a mild taco seasoning. A few of the spicy jalapeno, a few of the bold nacho cheese, and a few of the soft shells. It's late, y'all, so I'm not trying to eat too much. Oh, y'all, this is spicy. Ooh. Hold on. Have y'all tried the spicy jalapeno cheddar? Did you like them? How did they taste to you? These smell real spicy. Ooh. I'm gonna eat 2 of those. My children love this style. I'm gonna put all these on one pan and put them in the oven. So I'm gonna heat up 5 of the soft tortillas, and heated up 6 of the hard shells. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start fixing my plate. So I'm gonna get one of the spicy jalapenos. And then I'm gonna get one soft. Adding some spinach on here. And a little bit of the Mexican four cheese. And a little bit of the Taco Bell hot sauce. And there you have it. My soft shell and hard shell taco. So if y'all did enjoy this video, be sure to like it, hit that subscribe button, and leave me a comment down below.